Okay. Okay. Hi guys. Okay guys. Show the toy. Yan. So welcome back sa ating vlog. Kasama natin si Sadie. So this will go dito sa ating guitar playlist. So hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-aaral tayo mag-gitara ngayon. Ting! So for this video, pag-aaralan natin ang 4 na chords. Sadie, look. 4 chords. Papanoorin mo to pag malaki ka na, okay? Okay. Show them! So ito yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. A minor. C.
Yes.
Anong yes?
Yes.
D. Ano to? E. Ba't tayo nakasulat? So E. At yung hindi ko na ilagay kasi wala ng space, yung F. So Sadie, pag-aaralan mo ha. How old are you? 2.
2. 1.
So next month, magti-3 ka na, July. Ngayon ay June 11. First day. So COVID pa rin tayo. Kuha natin gitara. Let's go, guitar! Doon tayo sa mga kuya. At sa Dico, magi-guitar. Bring the Minecraft.
Minecraft, Daddy, my Minecraft. Minecraft.
Hi guys! Ano sa isa? So, nandito tayo sa room ng mga kuya and Dico. Hi! Sadie, how old are you when you watch this?
2.
18. Nangungulangot ka pa dyan. So this is what they look like. Si Kuya at Dico when...
No, bakit?
So this is what Dico look like nung 12 pa si Dico. Ayan. Ilan taon ka na siya?
I got my age.
And that's si Sadie. This is what Kuya looks like. Anong grade mo na? 14.
Grade 4 9.
Ay, 9 pala. Ano ba yun? Grade 9. Okay, Sadie. Let's play guitar, okay? Ayan, so welcome back. Nandito tayo sa room ni Max, ni Dico, and ni Kuya. And this is what you look like, Sadie. So, papanoorin mo to pag gusto mo nang matutong mag-gitara, okay? Okay, so papanoorin din ni Kuya to kasi mag-gitara si Kuya, okay? Okay. So learn to play different chords. So for this video, pag-aaralan natin ang A minor.
Ay, ba't sa akin?
So ito yung A minor. Ayan. So see the diagram here. Ilalagay natin yung diagram dito. Sa ulo ni Sean dito. This is how you play C. And this is how you play D. Hindi kita. So this is how you play A minor. Ayan, katulad na sa diagram. So yung first finger nasa second string, first fret. Ito ang fret. So kung hindi ka pa familiar, Sadie, sa frets, ito yung fret, yung vertical lines. So depende ang tone, ang pitch ng string sa position ng fret. Okay? So meron tayong 6 string, yung pinakapayat, yung pinakamataas ang pitch. 6 string, yung pinakamataba, pinakamababa ang pitch. So A minor is this, ito yung drawing, ayan. So paano binabasa yan? Ganyan yan. So ito yung first fret. So ganyan na itsura niya. Anak, look. Anak, this is your video.
Eyes. Oh, it's eyes.
Yeah.
It's very good. Now I'm drawing my...
No, listen. See yourself. Ayan. So A minor is like this. Ay, ang kulit. Sige, get out. Yung diagram niya is like this. So second string sa first fret. And then yung... Kasi ang number ng finger is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So first finger sa second string, first fret. And then yung dalawa dito. So yung second finger sa fourth string. And the third string, third finger. Hirap, diba? Ayan ba? Yan yung A minor. Watch the video. I-upload ko na ito mamaya.
Ha?
Ang C, magkapatid yung A minor and C. So yung C, ang equivalent niya in minor ay A minor. So ang C is, ilalagay mo yung third finger sa third fret ng 5th string. So ito yung C note. Ito yung C note. Nung open siya, A note yan. Open, A note. Pag nilagay mo itong third finger sa third fret, C note. So yun yung root. Okay, so ito yung diagram. So parang ganyan ang pagbasa ng diagram. So same siya ng A minor. Ang imumove mo lang itong third finger from the third fret, from the third string papunta sa fifth string. Fifth string, third fret. That's the C. Paano niyo sumali? This is history in the making. Hi! Ano, mahulog ka, anak? Bawa, mahulog ka na, oh! Next chord is D. Ayan, so D is like a triangle. Pero pupunta ka sa third, sa second, sa second fret. So yung first finger sa third string, second. Yung number 2 sa first string, second fret. At yung number 3 finger sa third fret ng second string. Yung sa diagram, pag may X yung string sa ibabaw, ibig sabihin hindi mo siya ipi-play. So dito sa D, hanggang dito ka lang sa fourth string. Fourth string ay open. So that's the D note. Okay, we're done! We're done! First 4 chords. At ang last chord is yung mahirap, yung F. Ayan. So half F, ganyan itsura. So ito yung diagram. No running. Ayan, so that's an F. Again, A minor. C. D. F. Pala, E, sorry. Another last chord, E. Para sa ating susunod na chords, na song. Okay, may tao daw.
Bakit computer mo kayo?
Hindi, matagal mag-edit, nagahang. We're back! Okay, last chord. So, last chord natin is E. So, sa E lahat ipe-play mo. So, yung 6th string 0, ipe-play mo pa rin. Yung first string 0, ipe-play mo pa rin. Yung second string 0, ipe-play mo pa rin. So, yung first finger nasa first fret ng third string. Yan, sa D, G sharp yan. Pagka natutunan mo, G sharp ang note. And then, yung second sa B note, second string yan. Second fret yan ng fifth string. At yung number 3 finger, wait! Nasa second fret ng... Akin yan! Akin yan!
Bakit?
Copy ko yan.
Akala ko ikaw kulit isa ito yung ano mo.
Ano na siya?
And then, second fret ng fourth string, yung number 3. So, yan, i-diagram. Okay, so paano natin pagsasama-samahan yung mga chords na yan sa isang kanta? Yun natin idadagdag ang nasa video ko kahapon. Sa riffriff.com, check it out, Pinoy English. Kasi English yung vlog ko eh. So that's Pinoy English guitar tutorial sa riffriff.com, House of the Rising Sun. Go! Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Thumbnail yan.
Ha?
Thumbnail ko.
Bye. Wait, boys. It's a guitar tutorial. Just the pictures, 3 boys.
Hindi, Elixir Paladin. Thumbnail to! Hello ka muna. Bye! Bye!
Bye.
See you
See you.
on the next video!
Video.
Bye!
Bye.
Bakit na? Sa labas. Palit mo. Bye guys! Shan? Hindi nag-bye. Ma! Sige, sige, sige. Hey there, welcome back. This is riffriff.com. So this is the YouTube channel where you can learn how to play simple guitar song. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to play House of the Rising Sun as made popular by the Animals. Okay, so if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of new videos. So this song was made popular by the British rock band The Animals in 1964. This is a traditional folk song. This was considered to be the first folk rock. It's a folk song performed by a rock band. So the main feature of the song is the arpeggio. Arpeggio meaning you strum the string one at a time, either downward or upward. So it's an arpeggio. So it's strumming one string at a time. So to make this song simple, we're just gonna do like that through all the chords. And the chords for the song, we have A minor, C, D, we do a half F major, and then we have an E. So that's the whole chords that we are gonna use for this song. Okay, for the intro we use the following chords. That's A minor, C minor, D, E, F, A minor, E. Do it twice. There's a buzzing sound, sorry about that. So again, for the intro, we do the arpeggio. That's one string at a time. We do down and then we do up. Okay, so that's the intro. It's the same as the verse except for the extra C chord. So instead of playing A minor to E, we play A minor and C. Okay, let's do the first verse. Actually, this is the chord progression used in the entire song. Okay, A minor, C, D, F, A minor, C, E. So we do E here twice. And then we do an E here instead of a C. So that's the verse. So let's do intro and verse. A minor for the intro. Okay, so basically you do that on all the verses and that's the whole song. Okay, so that's it for this episode. A quick one, so don't forget to click subscribe and the bell so that you will get notified. You will be notified on the new videos that we upload on this channel. Again, that's riffriff.com. See you again next time.